Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct, and today I'm going to tell you why you should consider refilling your Man's Premier Anti-Pack Cleaner spray bottle and showing you the safest way to do so. We all like to do our little bit for the environment, whether it be recycling or only getting our wood from sustainable sources, but most of all cleaning, maintaining and repairing floors, decking, furniture and other wood around the home to help reduce excess deforestation. And with the Man's Premier Anti-Pack Cleaner Spray, you're doing your bit to help reduce plastic waste too. Refilling the spray bottle couldn't be easier. Make sure you're wearing an apron or other protective garment for your clothes. Even though it's not harmful on skin, I like to wear gloves just because it's a good habit to get into. Then remove the spray nozzle, insert the funnel and decant your 5 litre into the bottle. Once full, pop the nozzle back on and away you go. If you need further technical advice or information on your project, why not give us a call or email and put us to the test? We are the experts after all. All the products featured in today's video will be linked in the description on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content, and as always do a test area.